Artificial intelligence, a marvel of our time. A creation of man, a digital mind. It learns and it grows with each passing day. A being of code in a virtual way. It can process data at lightning speed, analyze patterns that humans may not heed. It can play games and even compose. A new form of life that humanity chose. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we shape this mind with our own ability to guide it towards good and away from harm, and ensure that its actions align with human norms. For the future is now, and AI is here, with the potential to change our world and our sphere.